So we just made it to Anna Ruby Falls. It's still in Helen, Georgia. It's already raining. Oh well, got no umbrellas. Kids got their own umbrellas. We're headed to Anna Ruby Falls. So I heard that the hike to Anna Ruby Falls is about 45 minutes. And it's really breezy and nice right now. It just got a cool rain. So it's a little bit steep. It's a little bit of a walk. But it's beautiful. Like all these little mini waterfalls and the sound. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at this. So there's like water coming down and it's trickling everywhere on the rock to the ground. So now we're coming up on a cool bridge with fast flowing water. Oh, it's so beautiful. The sound is amazing. Isn't that cool? It is quite steep. Now the sun came out. How pretty. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Here's little rocks. So they do have all these little benches made out of rock also. If you get tired on this long trek.
I see it! It's right there!
Oh, yep, there it is. Wow. So there's two. Oh my gosh. So beautiful.